Hi friends, today I will show you how to do the disk cleanup actually. Disk cleanup is already disk cleanup is using disk cleanup we can free up the space in the hard disk actually. So first of all you can open the run command using the button Windows or and type percentage temp. Here we can delete all the files actually. Using deleting these files it makes some free space in the hard disk. Click continue button. See the space here and click on do this for all items. You can make skip button also if it is not deleted. Close the button and go to the C drive now and choose the C drive and right click on the properties. Here we can see the current space is free space is 344 GB now. After we do some changes, the space will increase actually. Click details. Wait some time, it is loading the files. We can go through these temporary files and we can select the files here and we can choose remove option. But before check the files, what the files you want to delete because don't select downloads. Maybe you can take the download folders there. Choose other files like whatever the files you want to delete. Check that files before actually. Make sure and before deleting them. I will choose some files here. Here you can see system error memory dump files. This is what regarding the it contains the memory dump files. Yeah, I mean if anything crash happens, sometimes the folders actually store here. I will show you the location where this dump file located. You can go through the C drive, open C drive once. The C drive, go to the Windows, and you can select actually memory file. Here you can see memory file. In case you before you in case any other time you find any system crashes, all the history you can find here. Actually, I installed WinBBG software tool to open this file. This is a dump file actually. It is saying denied actually. Let me open with actually. There is some issue actually, but the previous history of the any crash happens in the operating system, you can find through that file actually. And I will select system error, memory dump files, Windows update. Whatever the files you want to clean up, you can choose that files actually. We don't need Windows Update Cleanup, thumbnails, recycle bin also we don't need. It will also free up some space actually. Delivery optimized files also we don't need. Temporary internet files we don't need. Whatever the things we don't want to need, select those files. But make sure before deleting them. I will select remove files, then continue. Wait for some time. It is deleting all the files. Generally, Windows Update Cleanup contains the files installed regarding the update. So we don't need the previous updates actually, previous update history. It is deleting that file history also. Yeah, I think it is deleting all the previous Windows update logs, I think. So that's why it is taking too much time. Actually, we can do another way also, DiskCleanup. Directly, we can type here in the start menu DiskCleanup and select C drive. Which drive you want? Generally, the store main storage it will store in the C drive only. That's why you choose C drive. Here the same thing, both are same actually. The files here in the settings it is showing the same thing it will show here also. Like recycle bin, temporary files, delivery optimizations files. The files same thing it is showing here also. By selecting those files and click OK. And I mean both the process will result same actually. You can select the files and you can select OK here. It will also free up the face. This is another way actually. Yeah, actually, after the process done here, you can identify the more space here. I mean, maybe it will be 347. Means we did actually some free up the hard disk space. That's why it will increase here, the hard disk space. I think my system has too much Windows log files. I mean, Windows previous updated files. That's why it is showing. That's why it is taking too much time. I think. Yeah, I think it's done actually. Just click the refresh button. See now the disk space before actually it is, you can find here actually. Before it is 345. After done the disk cleanup, it is 350 GB actually. So we made actually 5 GB free actually. Click OK. That's it, guys. Actually, this is the way you can do the disk cleanup. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please click subscribe and like the video.